What? You're the Dino Master! You got a new mask!
Yes, that's right. I'm the Dino Master.
You took Spike's Dinosaurs!
Haha! You'll never catch me, and I've got all your dinosaurs. So long.
Epic rock climbing! Action! Whoa! Okay, now it's time to count all the apatosauruses.
Those park rangers think they've gotten rid of me. I'll show them. I'm going to sneak into their dinosaur park and take every one of their dinosaurs, then turn them into virtual characters for my new video game. Uh-oh. What's this? Looks like some sort of paddock fence. They think they can keep me out, but they can't. So I'll just walk right across. Oh! Ow! That hurt. These park rangers think they're clever, and they're paddock fenced with lasers. I'll show them what I know about lasers. I need some dust to find where the laser beams are. Ah, yes. There it is. Now to deactivate. I need my Dino Master case. Yes, the laser deactivator. Ah, yes, deactivated. Also deactivated. Excellent. Time to test it now. No more lasers. Deactivated. Excellent. Now it's time to enter T-Rex Ranch and take all their dinosaurs. Now, where are those dinosaurs? Aha! There's one over there. Time for my Dino Zapper. Ah, yes. Come here, dinosaur. Come here. One down, more to go. Aha, another one. Come here, dinosaur.
Get out my handy dandy clipboard, my handy dandy binoculars. Okay, so Apatosauruses, 5 of them. Okay, there's one. There's another one. And then there's... Oh? Oh? Oh no, I don't see any more. Just 2. Wait a minute. How many are there? T-Rex, Velociraptor, Apatosaurus, 5! Uh-oh.
Wonder why the Dino Master's old mask was out in the woods. I doubt he's back, but you know what? Maybe you should Google him here. See if he's in the news lately. Dino Master.
You may have a situation here. I better call Park Ranger. Come in, Park Ranger Aaron.
Ooh. Yep, it's Park Ranger OB. Yeah, go ahead, Park Ranger OB.
We might have a situation. There were 5 Apatosauruses, but I can only find 2.
What? You can't find all the Apatosauruses? Surely they're there. They're Paddock 17! The alarm's sounding for Paddock 17! Quick, dude! You gotta get over there, figure out what's going on, and check it out, because it looks like there's been a breach in the paddock fence.
Oh yeah, I'll go. Get off my jacket, this is gonna be heavy duty time. Put it on my back, that's why they call it a backpack.
Ha ha ha! The Dino Master's in town. Another one. Catch me if you can. I'm the Dino Master, man. Ooh, the Dino Master's large and in charge. There are more dinosaurs this way. That sounds like the park ranger's paddock alarm. Quick, I need a disguise. Oh, this poncho should work. Aha! My Dino Zapper in my disguise. They'll never spot me in this camouflage. Now on to find more dinosaurs.
Whoa! Whoa! What is that? Oh, it's a footprint of some sort. It looks awfully like a human footprint. Nah, it can't be. Why would a human be in here in a paddock? And by now they would have been eaten anyway. Well, I better keep going. So. Another one? Yeah, that's definitely a human footprint. Maybe this has to do with all the missing dinosaurs. Yeah, it has to be. I'm hot on his trail. Whoa. Hey. Maybe that fellow in a green poncho can help me out and tell me what is going on around here. Let me go ask him. Hey, fellow in the green poncho, you can't be out here. It's a restricted area. You're in a dinosaur paddock, that's what I mean to say. And there's dinosaurs roaming around, so you could get eaten by one. So, are you even listening? Oh, man, I'm gonna go call security. What? You're the Dino Master! You got a new mask!
Yes, that's right. I'm the Dino Master.
You took Spike the Stegosaurus! You're taking all the dinosaurs!
Yes, I'm taking all of your dinosaurs and I'm going to make them virtual characters in my new video game.
No, you're not, because we're going to blast you!
Catch me if you
Oh,
can.
you took my ATV! Come back here!
Haha, you'll never catch me, and I've got all your dinosaurs.
Woo!
So long.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh man, he got away! Better go back to Dino HQ. Oh man! Oh, my hat! And helmet!
Where's Park Ranger B? Park Ranger B, where are you? Oh, there he is right there. Hey, Park Ranger B, man. What happened? Where you been, man?
Yeah, the Dino Master is back!
He's back. What's he doing here?
He's taking all of our dinosaurs!
Why is he taking our dinosaurs now?
Because he wants to turn them into virtual video game characters.
Oh, he's taking all of our dinosaurs. That's terrible. He could get rid of all of them. We wouldn't have dinosaurs left, would we? That would really be bad.
Yeah.
All right, well, we need to come up with a plan to stop the Dino Master before he gets all of our dinosaurs, okay? Wait, oh, did you hurt yourself?
Yeah, I hurt my leg on that turn because he took my ATV and I was trying to get it back and it went whew.
He took your ATV?
Yeah.
This is terrible, man. What do we... Okay, we gotta get you back to Dino HQ. We'll get you all bandaged up and we'll make a plan, okay?
Yeah, he has a new mask and everything.
Oh, wow, new mask? Well, I think I got an idea. Okay, come on, take it.